This hexagon-style garage light from FERUERW throws out a very strong, cool daylight beam that makes a work area feel almost like an auto detailing bay or photography studio. The modular honeycomb pattern spreads light evenly with minimal shadowing, so tools, vehicles, and project details are much easier to see from every angle. With a high wattage design and a lumen output that rivals commercial shop lighting, it comfortably handles large garages, workshops, and car care spaces that ordinary fixtures struggle to cover. The 3-step dimmable function lets you tone the brightness up or down using a simple wall switch sequence, which is handy when you move between precision work and general storage tasks. Construction quality is solid, with rigid framing and heat-resistant materials that feel suited to a demanding garage environment where dust, vibration, and long runtimes are common. Despite its bold, geometric look, the system is relatively straightforward to mount on a ceiling grid or overhead surface, and once installed, it gives the space a clean, modern, high-end shop appearance.